Snake! Do they have ears? Can you hear me? Don't need to show that hood at me. You gotta watch, because it's gonna fall over. All right, monkey. Sorry, chimp. You gotta push. On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Harder this time. 1, 2, 3, push! All right, need some help from the rabbits. You gotta hop into this. 1, 2, 3, hop! Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it. All right, one more time. We got a big one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, hop! Yeah! Yo, Snake, walk, skirt, do what, slither. Go, come on. Yeah. Attaboy. You see where it is? Of course you do. Perfect. Stretch. Reach up. Up there. That's it. Beautiful. Yes! We're out of here! Yes! You're next. Follow the dog. All right. Come on. Up there. Go! Take care of the rabbit. Got it? Help him out. Easy. Come here, Chrissy. Good. Oh. There you go. Come on. Go. Come here. Come on. Come here. Oh. What have you been eating? Sorry about that. All right, up here. Up. Oy. You're heavy for a snake. Come on. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's creepy. That's creepy. Whew. All right, it's a left, a right, and a left. Just go towards the light. I'll meet you guys out there. Nice.
Thank you.
There he is! Look! Come here! Come on, Dad. Come on, let's go! We won't let them get away with it. Don't worry, Daddy. That's right, Dad.